Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced lemon tea. First, let's brew the perfect tea base. You'll want to steep about 2 to 3 black tea bags in 8 ounces of hot water. Let them steep for approximately 5 minutes to achieve a strong, flavorful brew. Using high-quality black tea is key for a rich taste. Make sure your water is just off the boil, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal extraction. This strong base is essential for a refreshing iced tea. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to sweeten it up. While the tea is still hot, stir in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This helps the sugar dissolve completely, ensuring a smooth sweetness throughout. Feel free to adjust the sugar amount to your liking. Some prefer it sweeter, others less so. After sweetening, let the tea cool down completely to room temperature. This step is crucial before adding ice to prevent dilution. Now for the star ingredient, fresh lemon. Once your sweetened tea is fully cooled, squeeze the juice of 1 whole fresh lemon directly into it. This provides that bright, tangy flavor that defines iced lemon tea. For an extra touch of zest and visual appeal, you can also add a few thin lemon slices to your pitcher. Remember, it's best to add the lemon juice only after the tea has cooled to prevent any bitterness from developing. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade iced lemon tea. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. Then, simply pour your perfectly prepared iced lemon tea over the ice. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your glass with a fresh lemon wedge or even a sprig of mint. This refreshing beverage is perfect for any time of day, offering a delightful balance of sweet and tart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.